Baraka Mkozi, Rais atatangaza Eldoret kama
Uhoro wa kuina ni tuthiete muno gutire o mwaka tutakorwo tugithie national kuria yako tukoretwo Githumo, tugakorwo Kakamega, tugakorwo Naikuru, twanakorwo nginya Maseno na kundu guku hakuhi bururi wothe, na nitukeneire ndeto eno muno makiria, na ni ta mwarimu wao ni gucokia ngatho muno, njokerie administration ngatho, njokerie board of directors ngatho ni undu wa support ya makoretwo magituhe.
Going forward, one of the things that we have observed here is that 90% of the participants are the girls. Most of our primary schools are mixed primary schools, and we are surprised that the boy child is not participating. We want to encourage the leadership of Makueni to come in and empower the boy child so that the talents in our boys can be seen.
Also want to request parents with special needs children to support them, encourage them to participate in the co-curricular activities. We want to appreciate the leadership of the department led by Waziri Elizabeth Muli, who has a passion for innovating and nurturing talent for our young children from preschool, primary school, secondary school, even colleges and universities.